Hi guys, we're back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a knife like one of these. Well, it's a mini knife. You see this? Don't worry, I have safety, that way I don't get cut, and this is perfectly fine. It's not that sharp. So I'm going to be showing you how to make this. First, let's start off with the ingredients. You're going to need a hot glue gun if you have one. If not, you can use if you have maybe a glue stick, any kind of glue, really. You're gonna want some kind of string. It doesn't matter. I just used this string because in my opinion, it matches. And don't worry about this stuff. I'm making some stuff. All right. So you're gonna need string. You're gonna need a toothpick if you have one, or you could try to make one out of cardboard if you have any cardboard. Toothpick, and then you don't need, this is not required. If you want, you can add some paint. I'm adding matte black because, well, I like black. That's my favorite color. First of all, let's start off with the toothpick. So you want to get this toothpick. You want to get some string. Oh yeah, I also forgot. You might need scissors for this, or you could bite it with your teeth, I think. Hopefully you guys can. This is gonna be hard because I didn't mean to start a video, but I just thought of an idea, so hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, you need some string. I'm gonna use this kind of string. Okay, and I think this is a good amount. Here, let me use my proper hand to cut this. Okay. Now we got our string. Now, after you got your string, you're gonna want to get your toothpick or your cardboard toothpick. Where'd it go? Oh, okay. Either your toothpick or your cardboard toothpick. And you're gonna want get your glue, your hot glue, any kind of glue you have. And you wanna, okay. Now what you're gonna wanna do, you wanna get this, and you want, here. Alright, so I'm gonna get, so I wanna do this. Be careful, guys, because if you're using hot glue, then it's really hot. So if you are, I suggest using gloves. I've been doing this for a while. So in my opinion, I'm okay. Okay, got all that. And now what you want to do, when you get your rope, you just want to keep on doing this. Hopefully you guys can see this. Ow. Okay. We're going to want a little bit more hot glue. Okay, that's a good amount. Then you want to put more string. And again, the string is not required, so it's just to make like it look cooler. Okay, we're almost about done here. And I'm almost out of glue. Okay, this string. And then after you're done putting the string, you might want to add a little bit more hot glue to seal the rope shut. Okay. And then this is not required. I like, okay, so if you get some hot glue, I'm gonna put it at the, okay, wait, we'll get another hot glue stick. Okay, you can put it at the end of your stick, and then you can get so you don't want to completely wrap around the whole sword or the knife. And then you could wrap it around the extra rope around the end. Be careful, this is hot. And then now you have this little like circle. That way you can hold it like with your hands, like this. Okay, and then this is pretty much it. This is all you can do. But if you want to be extra, you can grab a brush if you have one, or you could use your fingers. Just make sure you clean up afterwards. Here, let me get this brush. All right, see this brush? I'm gonna get some matte black. Actually, I already have some right here. Now, just want to do this and paint. And again, painting is not required. You could skip this and wait for the end. I'm just painting because I like the color black. You could do gray to make it look more like a knife. Any color you really want. I just love using black. Okay, then you're gonna wanna dry off your paintbrush, and I have a whole bunch of paint brushes that I've been doing. And then boom, you got your knife. Obviously this is not dried yet, so once it is dried, wait, where is it? All right, yeah. So this is what it should look like when it's dried. Clear paintbrush. All right, no, clear little knife. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And I'm gonna be posting a lot more videos about crafting stuff. So if you want to go ahead and go see those. Then you might trying to find stuff like this. Or maybe this. Or this. A mini skateboard. But yeah, that's all for today's video. I just wanted to craft a little bit of something pretty fun. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.